It's important to know when a request hits my inbox. I have a loud, noticeable alert so I never miss an important work email and I can quickly respond. But it's equally important to prevent email alerts from interrupting meetings, disrupting doctor appointments, annoying cinema patrons, or even waking me up in the middle of the night. This video shows how to build a shortcut to quickly toggle email notifications on an iPhone or iPad. Since I frequently toggle email alert notifications on or off as the situation demands, I soon learned that doing it the manual method was very cumbersome. First, you had to find the settings application, and then you'd have to find the notifications option, and then you have to scroll through this huge list of many apps and try to find the Mail app. There has to be a better way, and there was. Apple Shortcuts. I'm going to show you how to build that shortcut. Now I've already got it on this phone, and I'll show you how it works. I've got it in my widgets, and you'll see a button over here called Toggle Email, and all I have to do is click it and it'll take it to me. Or if my hands are busy at the moment, I can ask Siri to do it and say, and bam, it takes me right to the page I need to turn this setting on or off. So let's build this shortcut. Now you'll notice, since I already have one called Toggle Mail, I can't create another one with the same name, so let's create one that's called Toggle Email instead. Well, I need the Shortcuts app, so I can go into Finder by swiping down from the middle of the home page, and I've used it recently, or I can just start typing the word Shortcuts, and in the Applications section you'll see it right there. If you deleted it from your phone, you can go to the Apple Store. It's a free download, and get it from iTunes. Now I'm in the Apple Shortcut where I can create and manage my shortcuts. I can create a new one by clicking this plus sign up here in the upper right hand corner, or you'll also notice that at the bottom of the list there's a big Create Shortcuts button. Let's do that. So we need to give it a name, and as I said, we need to give it a unique name, so let's call it Toggle Email. And we could be done with that, or we can go one thing else we could do, we could add it to the home screen. And well, let's cancel that because I want a different icon. See this icon here? I'm going to click it, and color, I like green because I think of things being turned on and off with green. And for the glyph, I'm going to choose the alert symbol, and here's the categories at the bottom. I click symbols, and there's the alert icon. Alright, now that I've got the icon the way I like it, I can add a button on the home screen, and I like that name and that icon, so let's go ahead and click add. It's been added. Now where it added it, I'll have to check and maybe move it to the very first page of my iPhone, but for now we can check and we see it's already going to be a widget, so I don't have to turn that on, and I don't really have to do anything else. I can click done on this details page, and now we can actually build what the shortcut performs. There's going to be two steps or actions. The first is to define a destination, and the second step is to go to that destination. So let's create the first action. Click this add action, and we're going to add the step to define the URL, which is actually called URL. And here under the actions, as I start typing, it's the first one. Now it has an example destination in light text. I want to select that and replace it, and here's our destination. I pasted it in to make sure I didn't make any typos. Prefs::root equal notifications underline ID, all in uppercase, and path equal com.apple.mobilemail. Make sure you put it in exactly like it appears here. No spaces. Now, we've defined where we want to go. Now we just need to add the action to go there. That action is called open URLs. And this time it's the second one in the results. And there are no parameters to specify for this. We're actually done. So all I have to do now is click Done. Now, you can see that it has been created here in the Shortcuts app, but we can also see, hey look, there's a new button. Let's move that to the home page. The very first home page, that is. And we'll put it right there so it's nice and easy to get to. Click Done up here. And we can also swipe from left to right from the first page, and you can also see there's our new version of the button. There's the one that I actually use called just Toggle Mail. And you're done. You're ready to use it. And whenever you tap it, it takes you directly to the setting without you having to go through all those menus and searching for it.